Hello children, my name is Trapti and today we will learn about some animals and their sounds. There are so many animals around us. Do you know how they categorize? They categorized based on their habitat. So what is habitat? A place where an animal lives called its habitat. Now we will see some animals and we will listen their sound. Our first animal is cat. And what is the sound of cat? Meow. Next animal is cow. And what is the sound? Moo. Our next animal is sheep. And what is the sound? Ba. Our next animal is chicken. And what is the sound? Cluck. Our next animal is dog. And what is the sound? Bark. Our next animal is donkey. And what is the sound? Hee-haw. Our next animal is horse. And what is the sound? Neigh. Our next animal is goat. And what is the sound? Bleat. Our next animal is duck. And what is the sound? Quack. Our next animal is pig. And what is the sound? Oink. Next animal is rooster. And what is the sound? Crow. Next animal is alligator. And what is the sound? Hiss. Next animal is elephant. And what is the sound? Trumpet. Our next animal is fox. And sound is jicker. And next animal is frog. And what is the sound? Croak. Next animal is gorilla. And what is the sound? Roar. Our next animal is grasshopper. And what is the sound? Chirp. Our next animal is snake, king cobra. And what is the sound? Hiss. Our next animal is leopard. And what is the sound? Roar. Our next animal is owl. And what is the sound? Hoot. Our next animal is squirrel. And what is the sound? Squeak. Our next animal is tiger. And what is the sound? Roar. Our next animal is wolf. And what is the sound? Growl. And our next animal is lion. And what is the sound? Roar. That's it for today. In our next video, we will learn about their eating habit and their movement.